1. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price, $55,000. Located, Woodridge, New York, United States. The 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 presented here is a purpose-built American drag racing machine designed for serious straight-line performance while still retaining the unmistakable identity of a classic Chevrolet platform. Finished in a clean black exterior, this Chevy 2 reflects its race-focused nature with lightweight construction and an aggressive stance that immediately signals its intentions on the strip. Showing 12,345 miles on the chassis, this vehicle has been carefully maintained and actively used as a competitive drag car rather than a static showpiece. Under the hood sits a formidable 565 cubic inch big block engine, producing an estimated 1,140 horsepower, fully certified to 7.50 specifications. Power delivery is handled by a professionally built ATI Powerglide transmission paired with an ATI torque converter, ensuring consistent launches and dependable performance pass after pass. The drivetrain is complemented by a robust suspension setup, including struts, spindle mount front wheels, and massive 33 by 16 Goodyear rear tires that provide excellent traction. At the rear, a sheet metal 9-inch rear end with a professionally engineered 4-link anti-roll system, strange components, and racing shocks keeps the car stable and predictable at speed. The vehicle is primarily fiberglass, with the exception of the roof and quarter sections. This contributes to its lightweight configuration. On track, this Chevy 2 has proven its capability by running low 8-second passes while remaining straight and controlled, recording 60 foot times in the 1.18 to 1.22 range across approximately 15 engine-only passes. This is a complete, competitive drag car offering serious performance for an experienced racer seeking a proven platform. 2. 1993 Ford Mustang Notchback. Price, $28,000. Located, Enfield, Connecticut, United States. The 1993 Ford Mustang Notchback offered here is a well-sorted street and strip machine that blends classic Fox body styling with serious, naturally aspirated performance. Finished in a clean and understated exterior, this Mustang maintains the iconic notchback profile that has become highly desirable among drag racing and street performance enthusiasts. Rated in good used condition, the car has low mileage for its configuration and has been carefully maintained to deliver reliability alongside impressive acceleration. At the heart of this Mustang is a ZSR 427 cubic inch dart-based short block featuring 10.8:1 compression, paired with AFR 205 cylinder heads and a hydraulic camshaft. This combination delivers strong, consistent power while remaining street-friendly. Power is transmitted through a proven C4 automatic transmission and a 3.73 rear gear, creating a balanced setup that works equally well for daily driving and weekend track use. On the strip, this Mustang has demonstrated exceptional capability, running consistent 10-second quarter-mile passes at 133 miles per hour on motor alone. 60-foot times of 1.35 seconds have been achieved without the use of a trans brake, all while operating on readily available 93-octane fuel. Despite its performance credentials, the car retains excellent street manners, low maintenance requirements, and dependable cold start behavior. This is a true dual-purpose Fox body Mustang that delivers real performance without sacrificing drivability, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a fast, honest, and proven setup. 3. 1968 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price, $34,000. Located, Waterbury, Connecticut, United States. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova presented here is a lightweight, professionally built race-focused platform designed for versatility across multiple drag racing classes. Finished in red, this Nova retains an all-steel body and represents a serious foundation for competitive racing or future customization. With approximately 25,000 miles showing, the vehicle has been extensively re-engineered well beyond its original factory configuration. This Nova is equipped with a full mild steel tube chassis certified to 7.50 specifications. This makes it suitable for high horsepower applications. The rear is a Fab 9 assembly featuring 40 spline axles, a 4.11 gear ratio, and beadlock wheels, ensuring durability and traction under aggressive launches. The car has been fully wired with professional-grade components, including an MSD grid ignition system and programmable timer. These provide precise engine management and consistency. Designed with adaptability in mind, the chassis can be configured for either big tire or radial tire setups. The vehicle was previously raced with a big block Chevrolet combination at an estimated weight of approximately 2,400 pounds, demonstrating its lightweight construction. Although currently without a documented race weight, due to multiple configurations, the Nova is known to be extremely light compared to similar builds. All fabrication, chassis work, and electrical systems were completed by reputable professionals, including extreme fab and total induction timing. While the paint is presentable, minor cosmetic touch-ups may be desired. With a clean title and extensive race-ready components, this Nova offers outstanding value for serious racers seeking a flexible and proven platform. 4. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price: $32,000. Located: Randolph, New Jersey, United States. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 showcased here is a highly original second-generation muscle car that combines classic styling with well-preserved authenticity. Finished in a brown exterior with a tan interior, this Camaro retains close to 36,973 original miles. This makes it an increasingly rare example in today's market. The car has benefited from a fresh paint job and presents without rust, reflecting careful ownership and long-term preservation. Under the hood is the original numbers-matching 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a factory manual transmission. This drivetrain delivers the engaging driving experience that made the Z28 a performance icon of the late 1970s. The engine runs smoothly and the vehicle drives well, offering strong mid-range power and a confident road feel. Original interior components remain intact, further enhancing the car's collectability and period-correct character. Factory options include a tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, and power windows. Comfort features that were considered premium during the era. The suspension and chassis reflect the refined balance Chevrolet achieved with the second-generation Camaro, offering improved handling and ride quality over earlier models. This Z28 is well suited for collectors, weekend cruisers, or enthusiasts seeking an honest and original example that can be enjoyed immediately. With its low mileage, matching numbers drivetrain, and clean condition, this Camaro represents a solid opportunity to own a genuine piece of American muscle car history. 5. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro race car. Price: $15,000. Located: Waldorf, Maryland, United States. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro offered here is a dedicated race car platform built with performance and strength as the primary focus. Finished in red with a black interior, this Camaro is configured as a rolling chassis and is intended for experienced builders or racers looking to complete a proven drag racing foundation. The car shows approximately 1,320 miles since its race configuration and has spent the last few years in storage. It requires light recommissioning before returning to competition. This Camaro is equipped with a Dana rear end, 4-link suspension, and adjustable coilovers. These provide excellent traction control and tuning flexibility. The front suspension features aftermarket tubular A-arms, while 4-wheel Willwood disc brakes deliver confident stopping power. The chassis is set up for a big block Chevrolet engine and turbo 400 transmission, making it suitable for high horsepower applications. Ceramic-coated headers, a quality drive shaft, and an aluminum radiator are already in place, reducing build time and overall cost. Supporting systems include a Berry Grant fuel pump and an MSD 7-3 ignition box with matching coil, ensuring compatibility with serious race engines. As a roller, this Camaro does not include an engine or transmission and has no title. This reflects its long-standing use as a dedicated race car. With solid core components and a competitive drag racing layout, this Camaro represents an affordable entry point into serious motorsports for the right buyer willing to complete the final stages of the build. 6. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $22,000. Located, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, United States. The 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 presented here is a well-documented and tastefully upgraded example of the final model year of the second-generation Camaro. Finished in dark brown with a beige cloth deluxe interior, this Z28 shows 69,463 miles on the odometer and remains a comfortable, enjoyable classic with modernized performance enhancements. Originally equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8, this Camaro now features a professionally installed 383-stroker engine. This significantly improves power and drivability. Supporting upgrades include a B&M hydro shifter, Holly Street Avenger carburetor, MSD ignition system, strange adjustable rear shocks, and subframe connectors, all contributing to enhanced chassis rigidity and control. The automatic transmission delivers smooth shifting and relaxed cruising while maintaining strong acceleration. Ownership history shows careful stewardship across multiple states with no reported issues. The current owner has chosen to sell simply to ensure the vehicle finds a home where it can be driven and appreciated regularly. On the road, the Camaro offers a balanced combination of comfort and performance with responsive throttle input and confident handling. The interior appears largely original, preserving the period-correct character of the car. As the final year of the second-generation Camaro, the 1981 Z28 holds historical significance while offering improved refinement over earlier models. This example is ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car with tasteful upgrades, solid documentation, and everyday usability. 7. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova drag car. Price, $29,500. Located, Niagara Falls, New York, United States. The 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova featured here is a fully race-ready drag car built as a versatile and competitive bracket racing machine designed exclusively for track use. This Nova combines lightweight construction with proven components to deliver consistency and reliability. The car features a steel roof, quarters, and doors paired with a removable fiberglass front end and hood, while Lexan windows are used throughout to reduce weight. A full mild steel roll cage with both driver and passenger side swing-out bars provides safety and rigidity. A complete back-half chassis and adjustable ladder bars allow precise suspension tuning. Power is supplied by an alcohol-injected 358 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring a forged rotating assembly, Dart Pro 1 aluminum cylinder heads, an Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake, and a Ron's mechanical fuel injection system complete the setup. The drivetrain includes a 1.80 Power Glide transmission with trans brake and SFI safety equipment. Additional features include a Chevy 12-bolt rear end with 5.57 gears, Moser axles, QA1 adjustable coilovers, MSD ignition components, a digital delay box, and race-ready interior controls. Recently refreshed with documented maintenance, this Nova has been actively raced and remains turnkey. With its clean condition, professional build quality, and proven performance, this Chevy 2 represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a dependable and competitive drag car platform. 8. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price, $3,500. Located, Andover, Ohio, United States. The 1989 Chevrolet Camaro offered here is a dedicated drag racing roller designed for racers seeking an affordable and solid foundation for a competitive build. This Camaro is being sold as a roller only, making it ideal for buyers who already have an engine and transmission combination ready to install. The car has been maintained in very good condition for a race-focused platform and remains structurally sound with key performance components already in place. The chassis is set up with hooker headers designed for a big block Chevrolet application. This allows for straightforward engine installation. At the rear, The car is equipped with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring 4.10 gears, a proven setup for drag racing that balances acceleration and durability. The suspension and drivetrain layout are well suited for consistent launches and predictable straight-line performance. Rolling stock includes new front tires and drag radials at the rear that are reported to have another competitive season remaining. This significantly reduces initial costs for the next owner and allows the car to be brought back to the track quickly once a drivetrain is installed. As a long-time race car, the Camaro is purpose-built and does not attempt to retain street-oriented features. This vehicle is best suited for experienced racers or builders who understand race-only platforms and want a cost-effective entry into competitive drag racing. With its strong rear end, proper headers, and ready-to-assemble configuration, this 1989 Camaro represents a budget-friendly opportunity to create a serious track machine without starting from scratch. 9. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price, $20,000. Located, Elizabeth City, North Carolina, United States. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe, presented here, is a race-oriented build that blends classic second-generation Camaro styling with serious drag racing capability. Finished in orange with a black interior, this Camaro has been purpose-built as a drag car and offers flexibility for buyers seeking either a complete roller or a drivetrain package separated from the chassis. The car features a steel roof and quarters, with the remainder of the body constructed from lightweight fiberglass panels. All new tinted Lexan windows have been installed, contributing to reduced weight and improved safety. The tube chassis previously held an 8.50 certification. Following recent updates, it is expected to qualify for a 7.50 certification. A ladder bar suspension and 9-inch rear end allow the car to accommodate both big and small tire setups. It is currently running a 29 by 10.5 configuration. The powertrain setup includes a Power Glide transmission with an electric quarter-stick shifter designed for bracket racing consistency. The car was configured to run competitive 5.90 bracket times on motor only without the use of nitrous. This indicates significant remaining performance potential. Extensive updates include fresh paint, a complete professional rewire, new switches, LED lighting, gauges, an MSD grid ignition system, and a fully updated fuel system. While the car experienced minor cosmetic damage during its last outing, its overall build quality and race-ready components make it a strong candidate for continued competition. This Camaro is best suited for racers seeking a capable and adaptable drag racing platform with room to grow. 10. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, streetable drag car with full roll cage. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a purpose-built drag car that has since been adapted for street use, offering a solid blend of classic muscle car styling and race-ready hardware. Built with performance and safety in mind, this Camaro is well suited for drag racing enthusiasts looking for a streetable setup. The car features a full roll cage, making it a strong and safe platform for both 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile drag racing. Power comes from a 1968 casting engine block and cylinder heads, which are date-correct castings but not the original engine. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission to a 12-bolt rear axle with drum brakes. Supporting modifications include a fuel cell, manual rack and pinion steering, and tubular A-arms, all contributing to improved weight distribution, steering feel, and front-end geometry. Originally built strictly as a drag car, the Camaro is now streetable, offering versatility for both track days and cruising. This is a straightforward, honest build focused on performance rather than originality, making it an excellent choice for someone seeking a classic Camaro with proven drag racing roots. Located in Rio Grande County, Colorado, USA, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is offered at $40,000.